Hey, I'm Cleo. I'm a longtime tutor and I'm a test prep expert here with study.com. So today we're going to be talking about the Praxis exam 5511 5511, and that is the citizenship and social science topic. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on a problem set covering civics and government. So we have three problems for you, and we're going to jump in now. All right, so for problem one, it says, which of the following is an example of a civic duty? Serving on a jury when summoned, voting during elections, signing up for the military, or engaging in community activities. So a civic duty is something that we're called upon to do as citizens, right? And it's actually not an option. So the only one of these that is a civic duty that, if you're called, you must show up is serving on a jury when summoned. So that would be this one. Because voting during elections, signing up for the military, engaging in community activities, these, while encouraged, especially voting, they're optional, right? Serving on a jury when summoned, if you're summoned, you have to show up. All right, so that is our answer. All right, so for problem two, it says, Juan lives in a country that is ruled by the people. The people there have the power to vote for their leaders. The role of their government is to prevent abuse of power and to ensure fair treatment of everyone. Their government leads by majority rule. They try to reach a compromise to satisfy the most number of public interests. What type of government do they have? All right, well, some of this probably sounds familiar if you are in the United States. This sounds like a democracy, but let's just look at the other options here. We have aristocracy, which is like, rule by like the ruling class. Communism, no. Monarchy is, a king and queen, or queen rather. So yeah, we're going to go with democracy. Okay, so for problem three, we have volunteering to teach English to immigrants who have recently arrived in the United States is an example of what? Okay, so you're volunteering, you're teaching. That does not sound inherently political, so I think political civil participation is not really right. Non-political civic participation sounds pretty good, so I'm going to consider that. Peer-based learning. Are you learning from your peers? I mean, not really. You have a skill set that you're imparting to new arrivals. So, cooperative decoupling, that has to do with the idea of disassociating two factors from each other that typically would move together. So like things that would be directly linked, you want to change the way that they're linked. So that's not really related to what we're talking about. So our best answer would be this one. Non-political civic participation. You're cooperating in, the society. You're contributing to the society, but it's not a particularly political aim to just be teaching language. Hey, thanks so much for joining in on those problems. I hope they were helpful. If you'd like to do more practice problems for Praxis, you can go ahead and check out our other videos here, or make your way over to study.com. And as a member there, you'll have access to hundreds of sample problems like the ones that we did, as well as specialized instruction based on certain topics that you want to review, and strategy to help you prepare for test day and boost your score. So in the meantime, we'd love to hear from you. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. And then you can comment below and let us know if there are certain topics you'd like us to focus on or make videos about that we haven't yet covered. All right, well, best of luck to you and happy studying.